Capsio of Conectric Networks here again, and I'm just going to give you a quick demo of how we're using Google's Firebase real-time database to manage networks of commercial three-phase smart submetering installed in various buildings and collecting data real-time from EKM metering three-phase smart meters. So here we have our Google Firebase console, and we have organized lists of various meters that are installed in our field installations, and you can see how we manage various key information about all of the installed meters. As you can see, each meter here is sitting behind a gateway that's installed in the facility and passing our data to the Firebase over MQTT. We have some specific information indicating where the building, what building it's located in, what the current transformer ratio that's connected to that smart meter is, meter serial number, version number, and some free-form string text about where it is. So this happens to be in the engineering room basement. And then, of course, we have the short address, MAC address of the Conectric Serial G3 RS485 data hub that meter is connected to, and is collecting information and transmitting it wirelessly through the Conectric mesh infrastructure back here to this Firebase instance. And so here you can see we have a list of devices that we have installed here, and each time one of those devices completes its data acquisition cycle, you can kind of see it light up here. So here we have one of the smart meters, another one, and another one completing their data acquisition cycles, and it's time stamping the completed data acquisition and the data length. So here we have a data length of 510. So this is pretty extraordinary. As many of you probably know that work in this field, that's a big data string that we're collecting. A lot of low-powered wireless networking protocols are limited to somewhere between 20 and 60, and so we're really real-time streaming large amounts of data about how these buildings are performing. And then you can see here how we have an example dashboard monitoring our network health in one of these commercial building installations, where you can visualize all of the devices that are installed in the network, gateways and serial data hubs and smart submeters. And you can see here the data acquisition cycle, where we're basically collecting information from each one of these meters in just a matter of a few seconds, up to maybe a minute. And so, unlike other solutions, your utility smart meter, which is maybe collecting on the order of one reading per day, and then you have some other smart metering solutions that are probably collecting data maybe once an hour or so. We're talking about real-time data streaming here into the cloud, so that you can aggregate large portfolios of assets, and you can manage those in demand response programs. You can manage those in energy management systems and building automation systems, and really have smart control of your facilities and your energy expense in real time, unlike any other smart meter data collection system, particularly any wireless smart meter data collection system. We all know that you can do this over a wired network, but you really cannot do this over a wireless network, except for with Conectric. And you got to remember that these sensors are being installed in meters in very difficult, hard to get to places. We have a fourth floor panel number 14 here. We have a rooftop room here. So this is infrastructure that's distributed around buildings in very hard to reach areas with no need to install fiber, Ethernet cable, Wi-Fi infrastructure, or the like. And that really dramatically brings the cost of real-time commercial building energy monitoring to a level where you can get a fast return on investment. Thank you for watching this presentation, and we hope you found it helpful.